Hello guys, so this is the k&nairfilter for CBR 600 F4. I'll put the screenshots for you to see them clearly. Let's get started. In the package you have the air filter itself. It's in an airtight sealed package. As you can see, liquid, you have to cut it and let it dry before putting it on the bike. And then you have a booklet from K&N, and then you have one sticker. This goes on the bike, and there should be another one. Yeah, this one goes on your airbox. The bike, 2000 CBR 600 F4. Thank you guys for watching.